A small blizzard has formed on the east of Canada. The following areas are being impacted: Hamilton, Ontario; Toronto, Ontario; Portland, Maine; Augusta, Maine; and Halifax, Nova Scotia. Improvise to seek shelter immediately to stay safe from this blizzard. We will keep you posted. A severe blizzard warning for the following areas: Hamilton, Ontario; Toronto, Ontario; Montpelier, Vermont; New Hampshire, Maine; Halifax, Nova Scotia; and Ottawa, Ontario. Seek shelter immediately, for this is a very dangerous blizzard, and if you get involved, you will face certain death guaranteed. I repeat, seek shelter immediately, for this is a very dangerous blizzard, and if you get involved, you will face certain death guaranteed. Attention, the blizzard has gotten bigger, and has engulfed most of Canada. The following areas will indefinitely collapse: Vancouver, British Columbia; Winnipeg, Manitoba; Edmonton, Alberta; Calgary, Alberta; Whitehorse, Yukon; all of the Northwest Territories, and half of Nunavut. There's no hope left these places. Gather your family and brace for the end. The national anthem will now play. May God help us all.